9, keep up the commentary.
That goes over.
Sorry?
Received again.
One running through a car park, black and grey jacket. Black belly on his head. I see one.
Oh, they got that. It's supposed to be a convoy, don't they?
The other one's in the bush next to the railway track.
Received, what's he wearing?
All black.
Also received.
Ain't already, is that correct? Black and grey jacket.
Yes, they're detained in West Valley. We've got 2 outstanding.
You received just all these calls, the fellow smoker, there's 2 suspects. The second one is saying it's a grey jacket. That's going to be the suspect of the fellow smoker.
Just need, he was last seen running through a car park, black and grey jacket.
You say 80-20,
There was 3 of them
Yes, mate.
around the bike. One's attacked, 2 outstanding.
It's enough.
Thank you. Good talk to my colleague, please do.
Go ahead.
Colleague, where was that bike? Where are they in relation to that? Well, we've got through a car park, general direction, towards Tilton Road. Black and grey, blue white with it. Might be one or very like different now. Yeah, see, the one that took into the bushes, we can get it back towards our car. Is that right? Yeah, mate, I've been running my distance for them. Really, she's like railway track somewhere. So he was coming back general direction towards the car. Yeah, see, that leads to the railway track, mate. I'm coming to the other side. That's where we've got to stop. So hopefully we've got to head in. If they come out, they're going to want to head towards Coolwood Road. Just confirm no one's come towards the Arena Transport. Boys are on Coolwood Road now. You've got Oscar Sierra 316 short flight. Fly in. You've got 802 at Arena Transport. I control, can I put this down there? Alright. Can I get the sound West Gate closed? 5 for band West Gate closed and hurry up, like yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. skin, black jacket. Oh, you called you, mate? Mate, I'm only out round towards
Yeah, he's just to the left.
the high street. Where's he going towards?
I'm on down.
Oh, wait, Control, can we please get in past? They've already stolen a motorbike. They're running circles around us.
I think I've asked something about 4 minutes ago, just waiting. You get a bug unit?
I don't know if they're going up through West Nordy way.
No, defending.
Unit requiring a band suit.
Dead.
We'll buy your Mark 5 series, will you?
There should be a second one at the end of the road.
Yeah, they're doing the damage route.
So welfare check, please, on 1770 Tango. So, got the RC3 in the plastic brake pack.
Looks like they're doing damage in the hardcore road or stuff across the road. Kind of that way, West Norwood,
That's received. No detained in the park.
Are you on your own, Nick? Yes, yes. You've got a local unit coming towards you, mate.
Show you 2 in the van towards.
Received.
Just the one outstanding.
Yes, yes, he made it out of the country park.
1770 Tango, confirm. Is this the man in the grey and black jacket?
Yes, they're black and grey plastic.
Yeah, received. Thank you.
3-5 about to get away. Where do you want it?
Make a try and pass 6-1.
Flat 6-1, go ahead.
Cat 4.
Park.
The one outstanding has already made it out of the country park. We'll get one out. Sport Road is the one outstanding last seen on the please.
Oh,
It's a long old way, I'll be honest, mate.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Get on the exit, mate.
Right,
Right.
Right here.
Yeah, right.
That one, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Up here.
Yeah, FP 141. If there is any units, it will be filtered through the traffic now going up. Yes, that's still resolved. Ready for the rig? If there is any
Different change. Huh?
They're not on in-tops, I don't think they can chase.
We're going to show you everything else, yeah. We're going to carry on to the first floor and keep it on. Speed up, we might have gone right.
Right, these lights.
Fucking hell.
Straight the way down.
Yeah, mate, it made off from us. We pulled up, we did a U-turn to behind it, just parked up, got out, started looking to right, and folded it, went to the left onto London Road, but I presume it would have been right towards Summer Road, because that's the easiest option, otherwise it would have been bogged in traffic. There's a lost from us, we're at the bottom of Summer Road,
Lost from
Junction
us,
Mitchell,
yeah.
so
We're a long way up, aren't we?
Yeah, about 15 minutes. About 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah, and it's done. Not yet, no.
A little bit, not a lot.
Okay.
It's car, there's no power.
That's hard to climb first. Yeah,
Charlie, the descriptions for the TGI, cool.
it's by the LAX, all I've got is
This one.
a grid.
This one. That's quite loud. Yes, that's straight. Charles, send it down to Obvious 423, please. Lights right. North. I think this is restricted. Straight. Black box. Here you go, straight. You're full at ground, and you set lights here, mate. And you go left, straight. Yep, yep.
This is for you to know, the informant
Gets around about, mate. So you're right.
sees their power. We don't know if there's anyone with injury.
You've got to just zip by past it.
Hopefully we'll lose the road, but probably didn't do so. Make sure we're always still seeing used to the road, that's the part.
Yes, it's like to the left. Follow it straight. When you get the other side of this bridge, cut it. A little bit on the left, mate. Keep going, keep going. It's where we started to shoot the other day. It will be your next left. Not this one, no. Try that. No. This next one, next one. There, just go left. Yeah, they're all looking around here. Sorry, mate. Was that thing in the water?
No, the water bottle.
Last year we said that.
You got the reg now?
Yeah, I've got the reg, mate. Hang on.
Funny enough, this is what I done the other day. Should I go through? Yeah, I'm gonna go past.
Just gonna go.